So Rabbi Berkowitz talks about this idea, an idea that we call nechbadas. An idea of nechbadas is a life-changing idea. I remember when I was in elementary school, one of my rebbeim had a station wagon, but it was like a humongous car that was like considered like the yeshivish car. And then one day everyone was standing in front of the building, and the Rebbe's station wagon was right there. And somebody said, like, "Oh, Rebbe, is that your station wagon? Is that your car?" So he said, "Yeah." And they said, "Can we check out your car?" And he said, "Yeah, sure, go ahead." And they walked over, all of us, we walked over, and we noticed, we were like saying to each other, like, it's very interesting. Like, this is like an immaculate station wagon. Like it's like shined. It's like, it looks like he takes it to like body work on the station wagon. Like you look inside, it's like immaculate. It has like the little, mint freshener in the front. It's like amazing. Like this is like the nicest station wagon in Brooklyn. So when we got back to class, somebody raised his hand and said, "Rebbe, I have a question." He said, "What's your question?" He said, "Could you talk to us about your station wagon? I've never seen such a nice station wagon in our lives." Most people have station wagons. It's like a yeshivish car. It's like, it's beat up. It's all dented. These things are like a tank. You could drive it through a wall. Like your station wagon, it looks like you sit all Sunday and like you're polishing your station wagon. So I remember he said, "Listen, I'm a Rebbe. I don't have a lot of money, so I could afford a station wagon. That's my car." He said, "But in every area of your life, wherever you're going to be, whatever you're doing, you do it with a certain level of class, of dignity." He said, "So yes, I'm very makpid that I represent the Rebbe community when I'm driving down the street, and people should see this is a dignified man who's doing the most with what he has." That left an impression on me for 30 years. This Rebbe's station wagon, it's a mindset idea. The mindset is Shivitzi Hashem Lenegdi Samid. I'm in my own mind. I'm living with Hashem. And therefore, the way that I carry myself, that now radiates out from me. This is not something you accomplish in 2 seconds. It's something that you really have to internalize. I'm focusing on my level of who I am, of who I carry myself to be. I look in the mirror and I see royalty. What does that mean for me? How do I now have to carry myself? How do I actually have to behave now? What things do I watch or not watch? What type of phone or what type of car? What does my house look like? What paintings are on my wall? Goes to literally every part of your life that you never even thought of before, because you just do it. This is like, stop, think about it, make it real, and then the result will be everything around you, because it's a real part of who you are.